I told you, you can find the third maximum number in an array without sorting. Most beginners immediately use sorting. And yes, that's work, but normally in problem solving for optimized code, can you optimize it further? And that's where the real interview level thinking begins. Because today we are solving LeetCode question number 414, third maximum number. Using one transfer, no sorting, OF on optimized solution, and real logics and visual explanation. Because this type of optimization that makes interviewer impression instantly. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, myself Trevor, and today we solve the 414 question third maximum number. On this channel, we solve the coding problems with animation, visual explanation, beginner friendly logic, and optimized interview approach. So what you are preparing for? Normally here practicing the lead code, you are in the right place to practicing a lead code. If you are new here, make sure subscribe because we upload coding content regularly that makes your DSA easy. Now let's start the problem. What the problem given here? Now we are given an integer array nums and our task is find the distinct maximum number, means the third maximum number. Duplicates should not be counted multiple times, and if third maximum does not exist, then return the maximum number instant. So, here given an example, nums equal to 3, 2, 1. Here output is 1. Here the first distinct maximum is 3. After that, the second distinct maximum number is 2, and the third distinct maximum number is 1. Means here output the third maximum number is 1. After that, here given another example, nums equal to 1 and 2. But here first distinct maximum number is 2 and second is 1, but here third is not given. So here the question says that when not having the third maximum number, then we return the maximum number. So here the maximum number is 2. Here given another example, input nums equal to 2 comma 2 comma 3 comma 1. Here output is 1 because the first distinct maximum number is 3, the second distinct maximum number is 2, but here 2 are counted together, means here is duplicate 1. So we find the third distinct number, that is maximum is 1. So it's our output. To solve this question, what we do? Now many people solve this using sorted. And yes, this solution is correct, but sorting complexity is OF and log n. Normally, you can solve this in OFN, means optimized solution, and the answer is yes. So now let's think like an interview. Do you really need to sorting? No, we only carry about first maximum, then second maximum, then third maximum. So instead of sorting the entire array, we can directly check the top 3 distinct maximum number during transversal. So that means one pass, no sorting, and fully optimized code. So we maintain 3 variables, first, second and third. Here initially we take a long mean. Why long mean? Because array may contain repeated values. Now for every number, step 1 ignores duplicate. After that we take another step. If number is greater than the first, then shift everything down. Else if condition we write greater than 2, then update the third one. And at the end, if the third one does not exist, then return the first maximum number. Simple and powerful approach to this question. Now visually represent to this question how the work. So here it's a visual representation of the maximum number. Here we take an example 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 1. Now general arrays. Here it's a visual simulation. First we start. Here we start a simulation. Here step 1. Here its current value having 3 and the unique count is 1. First maximum is found. The first maximum is 3. After that it go to second one, means here go to second number. It's a unique count. Its number found. After that it's go a second number, but here found a duplicate one, it's ignored it. After it's go to first one, means the third one which is maximum, it's a answer of this question. It is a visual simulation of this question. So here we found the third maximum number is 1. Now let's start the code. How to write the code normally in simple way. Here we take three variables. For long first, that equal to long mean. After that we take another variable long second, it equal to long mean. After that we take another variable means third one, so we write long third equal to long mean. After that we run a for loop, so we write for int num, having given a nums here, so nums. After that we check the condition if num equal to first, so we check condition if num equal to first, or another check, or num equal to second. Otherwise, or condition we check num equal to third. So we continue, means the skip that number. So we write continue continue. After that we check if num greater than first. So that condition we write if num greater than first, then we convert third equal to second and second equal to first. So we write third is equal to second and second equal to first. Then first is equal to num. So we write first equal to num. After that we check another condition. We write if another condition is num now greater than is second one. First, when nums greater than first one, then third equal to second, second equal to first, then first convert to num. If condition num greater than second, so we write means third equal to second and second is equal to num place. So we write second equal to num place. After that we check another if condition, means else if we write else if. Here we check if num, then third one, then we write third one now equal to num's place. So we write third equal to num place. Here we check three conditions. If num greater than first, then third is equal to second, second is equal to first, then first equal to num. Else if condition we write num greater than second one, then third equal to second, second equal to num. Else if another condition we write if num greater than third, then third is num. Now we return one, so we write here to return. Here we return. Here we return third equal to third equal to long mean. Here we write long mean that greater than, means we write a condition has a ternary operator. When third equal to long, then we write first. If not equal to long mean, then we write third one. Third one. So now given example test case to check it codes work or not. Here given example test cases are work. Now we normally explain how the codes we write and how it's work. So Now let's understand the code line by line. First, we take three variables. We initialize top three maximum. So first one, then second one, then third one. Then we take a for loop for int nums ratio nums. It's check transfer every number. Then we check if a duplicate one find means we check a condition num equal to first or num equal to second or num equal to third. It's check if duplicate found. Then it skip one. After that, if number already exists in top, we ignore it, and because duplicate is not allowed to this question. After that, we check if num greater than first means means suppose first equal to 10, then second equal to 7, then third equal to 5. Now the current value is 20, then 20 becomes first, then 10 becomes second, then 7 becomes third one. So we shift the ranking down. After that, we check a else if condition of if num greater than second. Then we check if the number is smaller than first. Then update the second one. Means we write uh, update the second one. After that, we check if num greater than 3, then third num equal to nums means updated the third one. After that, we return third equal long means having equal to then return first, not having then return third one. If third maximum does not exist, then we return the first maximum, otherwise we return the third maximum. Now we write in the code to explain and understand this question easily. Now we take an example. First one. Here we take an example. Here having nums equal to 3 to 1. First we check if nums 1 having means here, for example, we write the condition if third equal to second. Here given an example nums equal to 3 to 1. Here we write the question if nums greater than first one, then replace num second equal to first, then we write here third equal to second, second equal to first, and first equal to nums. According to that, it replace one. And here we find that first one equal to second, second one equal to third. So now we write in the code. Here given an example num equal to 3 to 1. First we starting from step 1. So here we take a step 1. After that the current value is 3. So we write current value is 3. Then check condition 3 is greater than first or not. 3 is greater than first. Then we write first one is 3. Then second one having a minus infinity. So write minus infinity. Then having third one is also minus infinity. So having minus infinity, what the update? It updated the first one. So we write first updated. After that, it's go a second step. So here a second step, the current value here now is changed to second one. After that we check second is greater than is second or not, is greater than second or not. After that we check first one is having a 3, then second one is having now 2, then third one is now here also infinity. Then what updated? Yes, updated is second one. So we write updated is so here second one is updated. After that, here third step, here the current value is now is 1, and the 1 is greater than 3 or not. To check condition 1 greater than third or not. After that, here first we having a third, then second is having second maximum is having a third, and the third maximum is now 1. So it's updated third one. So right, third means it's a third maximum number. It's a final answer of this question. So we write final output equal to 1. It's a third maximum number of this question. Now we submitted the code. Here all the test cases are passed of this question. The time complexity of this question is OFN and the space complexity of this question is OF1. No extra array or sorted are used. Fully optimized solution of this question. This approach is amazing because no sorting and one transversal and handles duplicate perfectly. Constant extra space means normally optimized code. This type of solution that show real problem solving skills and a common mistake to solve this question. Normally most beginners count duplicates, forget edge cases and uses shorten unnecessarily, forget negative numbers. So but our solution handle all the cases correctly. Most important to this question to understand it, whenever normally a problem solver you solve, can you optimize for that? Can you avoid sorting? Can you do it in one passes? Think about tracking variables and maintaining top values and greedy updates. This pattern appears very frequently in normally in problem solving. If this video helped you understand third maximum number clearly, hit the like button, subscribe for more coding and DSA problems, comment the next problem survey you want to solve, and if you enjoy this animated visual explanation, make sure you turn your notification bell because we will building one of the best beginner friendly coding community. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Thanks.